Oyeze, on behalf of myself and my family, we want to say a very big thank you for accepting us and for your hospitality.
Yes.
Thank you. Like I said earlier, my name is Amobu from Umueze village. My son here, James, told me that he found the head of a palm fruit in your compound. He's interested in it and we would like to plug it and take it home with us.
So you want to tell me that my brother here, Eddie, does not know the value of palm fruits?
You see, this particular head of palm fruits is not meant for his consumption.
You have spoken well.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
I have 2 heads of palm fruits. Which of the 2 are you talking about?
Oyeze, or Ifunanya.
Oh. Our Ifunanya. Please. Call Ifunanya.
Oh, okay. Onyocha Potokiri. Ifunanya. Bekem. Come.
Ifunanya.
Yes, Doctor.
This young man is here asking for your hand in marriage.
I give my consent.
Ya kowala anya ofuma.
Ifunanya.
Tell us, what do you mean?
I love him, Daddy. I will spend the rest of my life with him.
Congratulations!
Hey!
Congratulations!
Oh!
You have chosen well. You have made the right choice.
I'm old and I'm home. What can I say? Whooping. Okay, never.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Because of this, we would like to have the list so that we can go back home and then prepare ourselves for the.
Don't forget to put on his
My in-laws, you don't worry. Go about the wedding ceremony. I will take care of the kinsmen for the traditional marriage rites. And whenever you have the money, you refund it.
Hey! Now, you will give them.
How go be children?
Thank you very much. My son, my in-law, please, I want you to do me a favor. Take good care of my daughter.
Sure, I will.
Do I make myself clear?
100%.
Good. Good. Did you hear me?
Yes, I did. You will definitely take
Hey! Run!
Thank you.
Mama. Now on the wall. Now boy, you're here, man. Hey!
What do you mean by that? Eh? Chief, what do you mean by that? Ha! I'm talking to you and you're walking away. Chief, what's the meaning of this? Are you a fool? Yes. How can you give out your daughter in marriage on credit?
My dear, don't worry. I know what I am doing. He must surely refund the money to me.
He must surely refund the money.
Yes.
And if he doesn't refund the money, are you going to pull your daughter out of his house?
No. You see, we had a gentleman agreement. And I know that he is going to do according to his promise.
Oh, really? Well, the important thing here is that you have messed up our daughter's marriage.
How?
You're asking me how? Now James and his people will see our daughter as useless. Like she's not disciplined, like she's just totally useless in this house. And that's why you want to push her out.
No.
By getting her married on honor, credit.
No. No, my dear. That is not true. You see, that young man promised to take care of my daughter and love her. And so I know he must do that. Outside that, it's going to be unacceptable. Yes.
No problem. In which case, I have declared Operation Python Dance in this house. AKA Egweke. You, James and his people, all of you must dance to it. I want you to put it there. Nonsense.
Come on, take it easy now. It's paining me.
Sorry. I like your hairstyle.
Thank you. Baby of the house.
Sis, what do you think about James getting married to Ifunanya?
What is my business? If you ask me, who will I ask? Obasarom. Don't care.
I think they both love each other and they will make a wonderful home by the grace of God.
No. What Papa did is height of insult by giving Ifunanya hand on credit. I mean, I'm beginning to think that the accident Papa had 2 years ago is beginning to affect his brains.
God forbid. Happiness. Why are you talking like this? You are supposed to be thanking God that your father is still alive. Despite the doctors predicted his internal injuries could take his life in less than 3 months then.
Hey! Tell me, is brain damage not also internal injury? Why don't your own father give you out on credit? Eh? I mean, I don't blame Papa. I just blame Ifunanya for allowing herself to be used and married out on credit and all that. Eh? Sis, I am beginning to think that Papa has a hidden agenda. I mean, he can't just do that. Nobody does that. No father does that.
Well, your father is a very nice man. The few years I have worked with him as his secretary have proven him to be a really good man.
Shut up! Come on, shut up! Come! Who even called you in this family matter? Come on, do my house, so. Nonsense. As for me, I think James should give her the respect she deserves. Unlike that my ex-stupid, arrogant, wealthy husband who turned me Chisom into a punching bag. Sis, Papa may have a plan, but certainly not what this thing thinks. So let's just wait and watch.
I hope so.
Do my hair!
Be fast about hers and dress my hair. Okay?
In marriage, both man and woman has a role to play.
Shut up!
What I know is that man is very rich. He's not interested in our money.
won't be surprised that when our son wants to refund him his money, he will not accept it. Mark my word, he will not accept it.
Nine. A wolf na safo.
Nkabura wolf.
I don't just like the idea of him not collecting anything from us. Mba, the bride price is the woman's pride. Can't give me wine free of charge.
Mama. Oh, Ije. Papa. Oboye.
You have one way. Don't worry.
If you are not poor, you won't be reasoning the way you're reasoning. Did you listen to your wife? No, Chere. Did you, by any means, listen to your wife? At times, I begin to even suspect if she's the one that shortens my wristler in this house.
Eh?
Yes. Because no pugini waga. That man is not a Father Christmas. Papa, it is only a ploy to enslave my brother James forever.
Oh.
Yes! I'm not surprised. Oh. This has always been your way in this house. Each time Oson will say something, you people will laugh over it. You laugh over my suggestions. Until it begins to happen.
Well, nothing is happening. How can you say that our in-law generosity is a ploy to enslave your own brother?
Papa, tell me, how can't I say that? Who has ever done it? Oh. Now tell me, who has ever done it? If not those families, their daughters are liabilities to them. They find all means to do away with her.
Mom, you have a point, too. This is exactly what I'm saying.
Ah, Papa.
Yeah. Now you have to do something about this, so.
No, there is nothing to do. Nothing, absolutely nothing to do. Besides, I don't even see any sense in what he's saying. Look, I just think he's just been jealous of his brother James.
It's not true.
He's jealous. Husband, you are jealous of your brother.
It's not true, Nai.
Papa, how can I be jealous of my brother James? How? Why? Have you ever heard in the history of histories? No one see Igbo. Now they jealous of anybody. It's not possible now. Makanebe from onye cross on my boundary and call you hitting kakopan. You want idea? Eh? I cannot be jealous of my brother. After all, I was the one who was sending money to him when he was in school. No problem. We shall see.
As far as I'm concerned, there is nothing for us to see.
A wolf na safo. A wolf na safo. Oye nwere ntị ya nọrọ.
Oson, help yourself.
Mama Baraji. Mama Baraji. Na mụ na gị si n'ofu ụzọ aga ka isi eche ka nsi eche. If running the sharp. Mama na suspect kwago. Mmesi apụ ije na azụ nje mee. Nne mo. Idi okay. Idi okay. Idi jai. Inwe shake.
Values nor respects any woman that he did not pay the bride price.
And your husband, Edwin, collected a exorbitant amount of money from Peter's side for Chisholm's bride price. That young man went ahead to spend almost 2 million naira for that traditional marriage. Yet the marriage did not last for 3 years.
Please, I don't even want to talk about Peter's side. That one is a fool. Oh.
The point is, whether a man spend 1 billion naira or 1,000 naira to get married, the wife must be submissive.
Wait. Are you trying to say that my daughter Chisom was not submissive? And that she's the cause of the failure of her marriage? Is that what you're indirectly telling me?
I heard everything.
You heard everything from who?
Your husband, my brother, confirmed it.
Hey! So, he confirmed it. But did you call the third party to find out? So you told your brother that Chisom is the cause of her marriage that collapsed? Are you dumb? Am I not talking to somebody?
No, what do you want me to say? Huh? Listen, Evelyn. It is too early to make troubles.
Oh, now you don't know what to say. But it's not too early for you to gossip. See, the God that I worship, he will strike you one of these days. As for you and that your stupid brother, look at them. Nonsense. Don't worry. I'm here waiting for you. Agadi now warfare. Of all people to talk about, Agadi, we're going to discuss your daughter with your brothers. Irrelevant people. Scallywags. Nonsense.
Hey. My dear, take very good care of yourself.
Okay, sir. No. Remember, you have taken in. So, do not over-labor yourself with house chores. Eh?
Okay, Mama.
Just do the light ones and leave the rest for your husband.
You're welcome.
Oyibo Pepe. People are ready to go?
Yes, we are ready to go. You almost missed us.
I almost missed you or you almost missed me?
Sorry.
Okay, I'm here. What do you have for me?
Delson, my husband and I want to get you a job in my father's company.
Yes.
Would you like to work there?
James, have you ever mentioned it to your wife that I, Osondu here, was a very successful businessman in Gabon, and that I was sending you money when you were in secondary school? Have you? I think it's high time you start taking this, so that you start reasoning like a man. Eh? Can't you a wolf at the wrong man na marriage? Oh,
They, I'm sorry.
I go be yours, amen. We go there together, amen. You never fit put us asunder, amen. If we walk together, amen. You go bump my baby, amen. We go grow and go together, amen. My baby, baby, can't you see? Baby, can't you see? They're trying to put us apart. What they're trying to put us apart.
Yeah, awesome.
I don't know.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hey. Osondu, would you ever leave this thing for one day? This Indian hemp? Eh?
God forbid. God forbid it. How can I deny myself, my body, of what it desires most? Papamban.
Oh, Osondu. Bele yo. You are not getting younger anymore.
Papa, on the contrary, life, they said, begins at 40. So don't worry. Bia mama. Hey. My stomach is dancing. It's warming for 7:30. 7:30.
7:30.
Biko.
Do about 7:30.
Biko.
7:30.
Nonsense.
About 7:30.
Biko. This they don't understand. They don't know that If not this, I don't know how will I have been coping in this village? A man who was making money in Gabon, Equatorial Guinea, and Gambia, and now in the village. Mama Biko, 7:30.
From my brother's house?
Uncle, please go. Which your brother's house?
From my brother's house?
Uncle, go now. Which your
brother's house?
I don't want to push you, go.
It is my house.
Which one is your brother's house?
Nonsense. And let me tell you, anytime those idiots that you call brothers come back into this compound, I will deal with them mercilessly. Are you hearing what I'm saying? Are you listening? See, next time they come here, I will arrest them and accuse them of trespassing.
You dare not do that, Evelyn. You dare not.
Bible, we don't want to see them in our house again.
What? Will you shut up your mouth?
We sat, deliberated on this matter, and we passed the bill. And nothing will stop us from implementing it.
I said, shut up your mouth, for Christ's sake.
We will not.
What?
Yes, we will not. Next time we see them here, we will so deal with them that they will never forget it.
The house has spoken.
And the eyes have it.
And so shall it be. You're going to those your brothers, right? Scallywags! All of you scallywags! Have you noticed the way they walk? Let's go inside. Ja, 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 ja. She's my daughter there. Well endowed.
My baby. Don't let me down. Baby, don't let me down. Baby, don't let me down. Down. If you leave me, baby, what you never do. If you leave me, baby, what you never do. Don't let me go. Oh, baby, don't let me go. Please don't let me go. You go be my baby, amen. I go be yours, amen. We go there together, amen. You never fit put us asunder, amen. If we walk together, amen. You go bomb my baby, amen. We go grow and old together, amen. My baby, 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 can't you see? Baby, baby, can't you see? Put us apart, or they're trying to put us apart. I don't know, I don't know. But your destiny and my destiny, we entwined up together. It's up to us to find a common ground. It's up to us to take a different route and prove to the world we can weather the storm. Cause every marriage must experience a kind of ups and downs, yeah. Ups and downs, yeah. But if we are together, fighting together, we surely succeed. We surely succeed. We're not gonna let them tear us apart. We're not gonna let them bring us down. We're not gonna let them put us to shame. Don't let them put us to shame, my baby. My baby. Don't let me go. Baby, don't let me go. I said, baby, don't let me go. Yeah, you go be my baby, amen. I go be yours, amen. We go there together, amen. They never fit put us asunder, amen. If we walk together, amen. You go bomb my baby, amen. We go grow and old together, amen. My baby, 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 can't you see? you see, my baby. If I tell you, say my mind is with me, the liar, the liar. Cause I just wonder why things cannot be the same. I remember the good days.
Honey.
Yeah, baby.
I want to suggest that since my father gave us a car as a gift on our wedding day, I'm thinking that you should sell your old car and invest the money in block industry.
Why did you say so?
I'm sorry, sweetheart. I did not mean to insult you or something like that. Huh? I was only thinking of how you can expand your business.
It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you.
But I think that's a good suggestion. I'll think about it.
Baby, baby, can't you see? They're trying to put us apart. I don't know. But your destiny and my destiny, we entwined up together. It's up to us to find a common ground.
I least expected you today. I hope there is no problem.
Not at all, sir. As a matter of fact, I came to plead with you to exercise a little more patience. I will refund you the money by the grace of God, let's say by the end of next month.
So which money are you talking about?
Well, sir, I am talking about the money you spent to settle your kinsmen on my behalf as regards to my marriage, traditional marriage ceremony.
You come out of that. That was my token for your marriage ceremony.
Wow. You don't say. Well, thank you very much, sir.
It's all right.
Well, sir, I beg to take my leave now.
Send me word to your wife.
I sure will.
So is the one now driving the car that my husband gave Ifunanya on her wedding day.
Mommy, if you go near it, you've seen it with your eyes.
He cannot walk. Oh, man walk or don't. Nagini do. Eh? Where is he coming from? Oh, so his plan when he was getting married to her was to dump his own car and then start driving Ifunanya's own. But he can't walk. Chisom, get me my phone. I need to talk to Ifunanya.
Mama, I suggest you go to the city and see her one-on-one. I think she's losing her mind to that marriage.
Biko, get me the phone. Hey! What kind of nonsense is this?
Go and get the phone.
Hey! Ifunanya. Eh? Have you forgotten where you're coming from? Wait, oh, now I get it. He wants to keep his own property and start making use of my daughter's own. Mba no man walk. Nah, no, do get it. Tell him phone now.
Mom, you've seen it now.
Hey, Ifunanya. Wait, are you mad? Eh? Or Puerto Rican madness, Nigerian madness? What kind of nonsense is this? No, there's nothing good about it in the afternoon, please. Just listen to me. Let this be the last time that man will drive your car to this house. Better collect your property from him, your car from him. Do you understand what I'm saying? No, I don't need no explanations. I have given a command and I expect you to follow it. All right? Nonsense. You do nonsense today, Fa. It's okay. No, inside, back. Excuse me, let me do what?
Mom, it's okay.
Jason, happy. Seriously, if I'm to say something here,
what Mama is doing is bad.
It's not.
Because I don't see anything wrong with him driving that car. After all, husband and wife become one in marriage.
Come on. Who called you? You're a fool, idiot.
In marriage. What do you know about marriage?
What do you know about marriage? Have you been married before? Come on, watch this car. Idiot. I was just listening to so I can hear what you're saying. Fool. And one marriage.
Why must I not drink water and drop cup in this house? What kind of woman is this?
Why must you drink water and drop the cup? Eh? Why must you drink the water and drop the cup? Are you not ashamed of yourself? If you did not want the money, why did you return it to him? Look at you. Instead of collecting that money from that man and giving it to me, you told him to take it back. Nonsense. You think I don't know how to spend money?
Listen, that young man is our son-in-law. We need to assist both of them. If they succeed, you will also share from the success stories.
Edwin, I am totally disappointed in you. I mean, when you expected to act like a man, a pussy, then you start acting like an ngolo, like a lame man. Anyway, let us see you go out now. I'm standing here.
Can I find my way to the car?
Standard living, standard living. Standard living, sandalele, sandalele, sandalele. Ben, my son, I invited you to call your father to order. Everyone, Mama. That one you know.
Mother, it has not come to that.
No. It has come to that, my dear son. Hey, like they say, a stitch in time saves 9. Yes. How can your father take a decision in this house without my consent?
But Mother, he was only trying to help Ifunanya and the husband.
What? Did we beg James to marry Ifunanya? Did we do that? Why should we try to help them?
Honestly, I don't see it as a waste of money. Okay? What he did for them will go a long way in helping James to meet up with his business.
I should have known better. I should have known better. I mean, I wasn't expecting anything good from you. You see, you and your father, both of you are a bunch of idiots. Yes! You're just a chip off the old block. Like father, like son. Beg. Let me browse. Facebook.
Oyeze, we brought this token to thank you and our Lolo for the support you gave to my son and his wife.
Oh yes.
You will live long.
Say.
Any man, in fact, anybody who says you will not live long to enjoy the fruit of your labor, that person will go to bed before dusk.
Praise the Lord!
Hallelujah!
Praise the living God!
Hallelujah!
May the good Lord bind and cast away any evil around us in Jesus' name.
Amen!
On behalf of my handsome husband and I want to say that your family has really challenged us. Oh. But I promise you one thing. We shall retaliate.
It is reciprocate, not retaliate.
Okoro, shut up and mind your business.
Okoro, that's okay. It's all right. Whether it is reciprocate or retaliate. The main thing is our son-in-law surprised us. And definitely we are going to reciprocate his kind gesture. Probably that is exactly what my wife wanted to say. Okay, please go and get them something to eat.
No. Oh, really? Okay. Ifonanya,
Mommy.
Ngwanu, carry the 2 bags of yam that your people brought with the dying Nwakoko and go and prepare maybe insala or something for them to eat.
Yes.
And when you all are done eating, please call me so I can lock my gate.
Ifo, kitchen.
Munyai, Ngwan, Lujiki Jawai idea. We have to eat. We have come a long way. We have to eat. Yeah? Munyai, Ulujiluki Jawai idea. One cook for us. Eh? Obankete. You see why I don't like coming to this kind of occasion? You denied me my 7:30. You denied me my Iwo. And you're now denying me my lager. Mbano. Papa, I is Wajia. Mbachelu, Obro, called the my Sijia. We must eat this yam and eat this fowl. Can't you see they have rejected it? We must eat it all.
I disagree with you.
If you want to know what Osonde is up to, give him money to start up a business and you won't see him smoking around the village anymore.
You see? At times when Mama talk, if not that she's my mother, I will say she smokes Igbo. Because it's only people who smoke Igbo that reason the way she reasons. Mama Biko. Papa, let me tell you. Give me enough money to do my international business. You will not see me here again. I'm telling you. I will move to Gambia, from Gambia to Gabon, where my international business pedigree is standing strong. Again, Papa, you see, the thing is I don't understand it.
See who is talking about pedigree. Pedigree. Do you have any pedigree? Pedigree. What happened to the 200,000 naira that your junior brother James gave to you? You squandered it, no? Pedigree. You squandered it.
Papa, if I squandered the 200,000 like you claimed, it simply means that the money was not enough. It wasn't enough to do the international business like the one I was doing in Equatorial Guinea. Yes! Papa, you do not understand where I am coming from. If you doubt me, go to Gabon, go to Equatorial Guinea, go to Gambia. You will know that your son is a fake.
Oh, when you talk about Gambia, Gabon, Equatorial Guinea, in fact, I feel so bad as your father. Your mates brag about America, Canada, Malaysia, Ebere Okaro, and you are here gallivanting and talking about Gambia, Equatorial Guinea. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Toi! Shame on you. I'm ashamed of you. Small places that are not up to our own village here.
Papa, you're our last.
More.
In speaking, you're your last card. Very soon. if we check up.
Be careful whatever you do. Be careful whatever you say. Be careful whatever you do. Oh no. Be careful whatever you do. Be careful whatever you say. Cause you don't know tomorrow. And no man be God. God. And no man be God. God. And no man be God. God. And no man be God. So you're living your life like say now you get the world up. So you making your money then you say now you in charge of. No man can be an island. No one can be with alone. Everyone needs someone. Someone needs someone.
Oh, good afternoon, Ma.
Good afternoon.
Oh, Ma, please, is Chief inside? He sent for me.
Oh, my impeccable son-in-law. It was the chief that sent for you. I was the one that sent the message. You see, I'm actually going to host the Omwada's meeting, and I need roughly 200,000 naira to entertain them. I'm wondering how much would you contribute towards the whole stuff?
As a matter of fact, I can help with 50,000 naira.
50,000 naira? What am I supposed to do with 50,000 naira? I mean, that's an insult. Do I look that poor to you?
Excuse me.
Anyway, let me have the 50,000 naira.
I am not with cash here. I'll write you a check.
Okay. Go write the check for me.
In my car.
We'll go and get it.
Every good time deserves another. So if it's your turn, you are well. What's the point?
Yes, baby.
How could you have given my mother 50,000 for the hosting of a meeting that won't cost her more than 10,000 naira?
No, for crying out loud, she said the meeting is going to cost her nothing less than 200,000 naira.
That is not true. Ever since she began to host Umada, she has never spent more than 10,000 naira.
Well, it's okay, baby. You see, this time, things are very expensive in the market.
Even at that, she won't spend more than 15,000 to host the meeting.
Your family have been very supportive. I have no regrets.
She lied to you. That is why I'm upset.
It's okay.
Who gave you the audacity to stop washing my children's clothes?
Chief asked me to stop washing their clothes. Besides, they are grown-ups.
Shut up! Who are you to tell me that my children are grown-ups? This is the last warning, first and last warning I will give to you. You have to continue washing their clothes, whether they are grown-ups or children. After all, they are my children. Will you get out of here? Hope you heard her. That's Benton. Let's go. Keep your pleasantries to yourself. Hey, hold it there. Please stop pretending.
How dare you insult my wife?
Wait up. You raise your hand at her. Touch her. That will teach you a lesson you will never forget. Go where? Look at them. You. You're not entering my house. Better go back to your husband's house in the city.
My wife is going nowhere. This is my father's house.
You will not go inside this compound. This woman with her long legs is not stepping in here. Better behave yourself, else I'll teach you a lesson. Did I say a lesson? Lessons that both of you will not forget.
Sorry for what? Come, let's go inside.
Go where you want. I said you will not step in here. You want to cross me?
You slapped my wife.
Hey! Hey! I said no, baby. But I love baby. Baby! So what do you want to do? You want to beat me? You want to beat your wife? Hey! Now try it now. Try it.
Let me deal with this.
I said no, baby. Please. Let me hear a word. Which one is baby? This old man. This is what have they been calling you baby from when you were young. I breastfed you till you were 5 years old. People were laughing at me, but I kept at it because I knew you were a weakling. Look at you. See your lips. They are still like someone that is still breastfeeding. Ah, obviously, you're getting it from her. But you know what? Both of you will not step your feet into my house. Period.
We shall see what happens here today. We shall see.
Nothing will happen.
Yes, sir.
The only thing that would happen is and get out. Yes. Where was it? Ani Walandia Soka. Ani Walandia Soka. It's a pity. Now, Kuno. It's a pity. It's a pity. It's a pity. Every woman, did I not tell you that this this collaborated with my son to throw me out of their house?
Well, you did say so. But you see, two wrongs can never make it right.
Very soon, two wrongs will make it right. See, Edwin, no one steps on my toes and goes scotch-free. I'm bad. It can't happen. Not even my own son. Oh.
I did not collaborate with my wife to bring you back home. I did what I did then because you nearly set my house on fire.
Hey, believe. Nanny, look at yourself. Look at your mouth. Watch your mouth. Can you hear yourself talk? Your own mother nearly set your house on fire. Hey,
and that's fire brigade. Engine Naswas. You put out the fire where?
Fire extinguisher.
Look at you. You don't know anything. There's nothing in this your coconut head. Hi. Hi.
My people, please, let bygone be bygone. Let us learn to love one another. Forgive one another. Please. Ne. Please, let's learn to forgive. Please.
Major, let's love one another.
Please, I'm sorry. Biko, please forgive me.
Did you call me in?
Yes, sir.
Hey, my daughter. What you did to me is getting married to my son.
Mama, okay, why?
Why are you looking at me?
I'm not calling you. I'm not calling bullshit. Let me go get some apple. Edwin. Nano, your son. Son.
Enough is enough, Eddie. Enough is enough. We will not continue to condone Evelyn insult us again.
Never. Never.
Henceforth, Eddie, henceforth, if she insults us again, we will beat her up and nothing will happen.
My brothers, as you know that my doctor warned me not to allow anything trouble my mind. After the fatal accident I had that almost took my life 2 years ago, I have decided to ignore all that Evelyn, my wife, does to me, so as to live long. So please, I want you all to do the same. Because I know that one day, the senses of my wife will come back to her. Please, be cool. Cool.
Eddie, meaning we should continue to allow your wife Evelyn to insult us.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes. For the sake of the psychotherapy that my doctor placed on me.
Psychotherapy?
Remember that it was predicted that I would die 3 months ago after the fatal accident I had. Please, my people, forgive her and ignore most of those things she does. Please.
Edwin, we have done that for too long. We have done that for too long. She has taken too much.
Eddie, let me also inform you. If Evelyn should continue insulting us, we will fight back.
Bikono, please. Please, ignore her. Please.
Hey! Those people are fools. Go and tell them that they are fools, big fools. As for me, on Aburi I stand. I, Evie, am the one that decides who comes into this compound, who stays, and who leaves. As for you, you're just a mere spectator.
My dear, I am not ready to take this from you. You see, those people are my brothers. And I don't want you to come in between me and my brothers.
Hold it. Hold it right there. Is that a threat or what? Ah, your brothers indeed. Now let me tell you something in case you've forgotten. No one, absolutely no one steps on my toes and gets away with it. Better run along and tell them. Nonsense.
Why are you getting angry now?
Osondo, are you under a curse? Or are you the cause of your problem?
You say what?
Is him what? Mumua, what? Are you deaf? I said, are you under a curse? Or are you the cause of your problem?
I don't understand you.
Hey! Osondo.
What is your problem?
What is it? Osondo, are you not worried that at your age, you are still eating Mama Tankma in my house? Eh? Are you not worried that your younger brother is now happily married? And you are still here? Are you not worried that your younger brother will soon...
Is my younger brother the first to marry? Eh? Is the wife the first woman to put to bed? But let me tell you, when I was in Gabon, women were struggling to put to bed for me. I refused.
Hey,
Mama, see, I don't want all these local girls here. I don't want them. I want to marry a foreign babe. Either she's from Gabon, or she's from Gambia, or Equatorial Guinea. Yeah? You won't allow somebody smoke and keep prisoner.
How about just Equatorial Guinea? My equation Guinea. Hey! Osondo, wake up from your slumber. And Anuya, just wake up. You are not getting any younger. You are not getting any younger. Nekwa phone ki kona bossy white wash. You know never name nigga. Oh, kwa karanka nigga. What is your problem? Osondo, change your condition, oh. If your condition refuses to change, you force it to change for good.
Yeah, this is it.
Chisom.
Sir.
Your father-in-law said he will be coming with his kinsmen. To see you on Saturday, to plead that you come back.
Do you know you're a fool? A big fool.
Bien. Evelyn, please mind your tongue.
No. You watch your tongue. In an entity. This scallywag, tiny brat, almost snuffed life out of your daughter. And instead of you fighting for your daughter and trying to kill the man, you're here playing the role of an errand boy. Hey boy, you're really stupid.
Did you hear what I said?
Biko, Biko, no. I am done with Peter's side. I'm no longer interested. Biko.
Read it. Awkward again. Below the belt. She has said it all. So calm down. Stop being boy. That's how Biko. Yeah. Because of father and the horse.
But you called me.
Chisom, I called you here for something I called you here for something very important.
Which is?
There's a local parlance that says, the devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. So, I will advise you have a rethink towards your father-in-law's effort in reconciling you and your husband.
Tioba, is this why you called me? Let me ask you something. How many times do you kiss your wife in a week?
I have never laid a finger on her before, but that doesn't make me a saint. Oh yes.
Are you done? See, you're just like your father.
Should I swallow my pride and go back to my husband? Or should I just exercise a little patience and wait for the man of my dream? What do I do?
Chiso. Chi?
No.
What is the matter?
Nothing, I'm okay.
You're not okay. Listen, you can talk to me. I am your mother.
I'm just contemplating whether to go back to Peter's side or not.
Hey! Do you know the implication of going back to your vomit?
No.
Hey, Papa, wait. Papa. Those words you and Mama told me the other day, they were very, very disheartening. If not that I have shock absorber, they would have weighed me down. Papa. Papa, let me tell you, truth is bitter, but I'll continue to say it. I'll continue to say it. I'm beginning to suspect these people. I think they are the cause of my being deported from ordinary Gabon. Just look at Gabon. Gabon, oh! You people, no wonder. Eh? In a place where I was known for my business acumen, they deported me. Ordinary Gabon deported me because of you people. Okay? Judgment Day is very close to you. Papa, Judgment Day is very close to you. Don't worry. Jehovah, paratule, parapatule. Okay.
Mom, if Daddy had done for Peter's side and I what he did for Ifna and the husband during their wedding, Peter's side would have valued me and given me the respect I truly deserved. And by so doing, my marriage wouldn't have collapsed.
What you're saying is exactly the truth. Your father hated you so much. And that was why he ensured that Peter's side paid your dowry to the last kobo.
It's not fair.
I know it is not fair. It's just not fair. How would a man hate his first daughter? But not to worry. You see that your father? He pretends to be the best man, to be the best father in the whole wide world. Meanwhile, he's the worst. Do not worry. I, your mother, I will be your father and I will be your mother. I will take care of anything that you want. Yes.
Mommy, thank you so much. I'm so proud of you and I love you.
I love you more.
You're both the mother and the father to me.
Hey, I will spoil you.
Thank you.
You got that? As a matter of fact, unlike this new pair of slippers that I saw at the shopping mall, I will go pick it up for you.
Okay, Mama.
You got that? Can you step out in style?
Yes, Mom.
Hey! Let's not talk about Peter's side again, Pico.
Okay.
Now we should be looking for greener pasture.
Please don't let me go. You go be my baby. Amen. I go be yours. Amen. We go there together. Amen. You never fit put us asunder. Amen. If we walk together. Amen. You go bomb my baby. Amen. We go grow and grow together. Amen. My baby. Baby, baby, can't you see?
Oh, that's my girl.
Greet Mama, Papa and Dos on the phone.
Of course. I will sure go see your father.
Oh, I have forgotten you have an appointment with my father.
Oh, yeah. Well, you take care of yourself, okay?
Okay, baby.
I'll see you when I see you.
Okay, love you.
Osondo. Hi, Osondo. This is 9 a.m. and you're still here drinking. Why? Eh?
Papa, I don't work with local time anymore. This is 5 a.m. in Gabon.
Osondo, do you realize that today is Wednesday and you are supposed to have an appointment with Chief Edwin in his office? Eh?
Papa, you're downgrading me. I'm telling you. Mabasi, you're downgrading me. Just hear yourself. Chief Edwin's office. Eh? At my level, you want me to be working for another man? At my level, with my international pedigree?
Why no? Osondo, why?
Kanju Kenegi, a wolf on a jukwaga for. Eh? A wolf on a jukwaga for. Hey! This same man gave your son a wife for free. You still want this same man to give me a job for free? When has our family become a free town?
Osondo, I still don't understand what you're talking about. I don't understand you.
Papa, if I collect that job from that man, I have belittled this family. Yes. I hate to be kicked around like a kid. Let James give me money to start my own business. Yes. After all, I did it for him when I was in Gambia. One good turn deserves another. Anything worth doing is worth doing well. So let James do his own well. C'est fini.
Papa, au revoir. Au revoir.
It's not au revoir.
Papa, wa? Wa can say Igbo. Kicholi ise. Kicholi ise kan ye. Oh, wa. Hey, Oba. Hey, Mukaba. Mbabu.
Poto Kirin.
Mommy.
Oh, it's good to see you.
Yes, sir.
Hi, my Puerto Rican baby. So, how are you enjoying your marriage?
Yes, Mommy. I'm living in peace with my husband. Mommy, I have no regret getting married to him.
Oh, that is good.
Okay, his car. Mommy, he sold it and invested the money in business.
Hi! Hey, man. Men are terrible. He took over your car so that you will not have any car of your own.
No, Mommy. I was even the one who suggested to him to sell the car and invest it in business.
If Onanya, I am disappointed in you.
How, Mommy?
You've given this man room to triple you. You see, your sisters would not put themselves in that kind of situation.
Mommy, I do not understand your point.
Oh, you don't get my point? Well, I'll tell you what my point is. My point is that you have turned yourself into a housemaid. Look, wisen up, oh! Else, that's your husband. And his mother will just finish you in this marriage. Wisen up, oh! Hey! On your Chapotokiri, I can't believe you don't have the sense that we are talking about. You need Nigerian sense, oh! Drop this Puerto Rican matter. Ha.
Mommy, this is nice.
This is classic. Classical, very tasty.
Oh, Mommy, if I had not listened to you, hey, I will still be in my Mbwekeism, suffering and smiling in ignorance, Mommy. Hey!
Oh, come on, were you not in the village with us? Didn't you see the way I was treating your father, Edwin?
Mommy, don't blame me. I thought you were not being fair to him. And I promised myself that when I get married, I will take a different path. So don't blame me, Mommy.
You got it all wrong. I am glad I am here to put you through. I'll tell you something. You see, men, all men, they are worse than wild animals. Yes. Any woman that thinks she can put her trust in a man is a big fool.
Hi. Yeah, Mommy, you are right. You are right, Mommy.
Didn't you see the way I judged with your father? First of all, I started with Operation Crocodile Smile. Then I moved up to Operation Tiger Pose. And now, I am doing Operation Igweke.
Hey!
Paita dance. Yeah, I can't make it back.
Hey! Mem.
Hey!
Getting gangare morning, no? Hi!
I'm
with a gum.
Good afternoon, Ma.
Oh, welcome, my amiable son-in-law.
Honey, you're welcome.
Thank you. I can see you. You and your mom are having fun, huh?
Yes, I'm sure, Smile.
Oh, well, sweetie. So why don't you get mine so I can join you in the party?
Oh, I'll be back.
Come on, take it away. Take it away. Whoa.
It's too much. No, leave that. She'll bring yours fresh, the whole pack. Okay. Because of germs.
Okay. Please, who did this?
Enjoy yourself. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
What is the meaning of this?
I can't imagine the kind of soup I will use 10,000 naira to prepare.
Wait a second. My in-law, did you hear your daughter?
Hey. Come okay. He's welcome. You know, this recent time of recession, I mean, what soup would you use just 10,000 naira to make?
Mommy.
At this time of recession? Things are so expensive. Is it?
See, honey, 10,000 is a big money. But it's not big enough to prepare a pot of bitter leaf soup.
Exactly.
Honey, Can't you see that I'm still breastfeeding? So I need to eat to breastfeed our child, our baby, you know.
Good milk.
Mm-hmm.
But come on. If you want to make a pot of bitter leaf soup, look, bitter leaf now is so expensive. The good one. You bring it from the village, it's expensive. Then the Eden, oh my God, expensive. By the time you buy azu, you know, the asa fish, and then okporoko, we don't buy the head now. You have to buy the full body. What are we talking about? 10,000 is no money.
Come back here. I said come back here. Where are you going to?
She's getting tough about it.
Hey, come back here.
What?
Come back here.
Huh?
I said come back here. Come back here. You're going nowhere. James, you're going nowhere.
If Naya, in the name of the God you serve and the gods of our forefathers, leave me the hell alone!
In the name of the God you serve and the gods of our forefathers, if you cannot make money 20,000 naira, then go back inside and let's remain there.
Come on. You seem to have forgotten that your wife just put to bed. Stop stressing her, please.
I said go back.
Is this how she has been behaving since you married her?
Well, not exactly. You see, as a matter of fact, it all started after the arrival of her mother.
Excuse me? I remember something.
Oh.
Do you still love your wife?
Of course, I do.
And you want peace restored to your family?
Sure. Who wouldn't?
And send my mother back home.
My wife just put to bed.
If your mother-in-law was dead, wouldn't you have taken good care of your wife and your daughter?
Be careful whatever you do. Be careful whatever you say. Be careful whatever you do. Be careful whatever you do. Be careful whatever you say. 'Cause you know, and no man be God, God. And no man be God, God. And no man be God, God.
Will you take off him? Can you imagine this stupid girl? You're very stupid.
Yeah, Helen, who do you want to hug? This gold digger that married my sister on credit, snatched the car that my father gave to her, and had the guts to throw my mother away out of that mushroom house. Eh?
Did you say mushroom house? Is this even a house? This Nkaku lives in a rat hole.
Hey!
Eh? Can you imagine where he relegated my Onyocha Potokiri to? Rat hole. And as for you, will you get out of here? Sheba Pwa!
Shame on you! Mbada, shame on you!
Bia, outlaw, you will regret this. Shame on you. Come, do you even know what shame is? No. You don't. Shame on you. Mbada, shame. Yo!
It's all good. Thank you very much for coming to set my house, my rat hole on fire.
Yes. Oh yeah, come and start going. Oh yeah, go now, go!
Be careful whatever you say. Be careful whatever you do. So you
what?
Yes, prostitute. Oh, wait. You think I don't know that you've been sleeping with this girl? Eh? Oh, because I've been calm and quiet. You think I don't know?
I beg your pardon.
You beg my pardon.